Experts at international financial agencies recently predicted this software will have a substantial impact on the U.S. and worldwide economies. People usually only pay attention to the final product of a successful entrepreneur. They say things like, "He got lucky," or "Look at him wasting his money on a Bentley." What most people don't see is what most entrepreneurs have to overcome to find financial success. All the struggles, the daily rejections, the hard work toward their dreams, the betrayals, the criticism, the empty bank account, the pain. All those lonely nights spent trying to make their vision a reality. Most people raise a family, earn a living, and die without ever achieving anything in life. They just do enough to get by. They forget who they are, and they've stopped believing in themselves. People like to complain, but then do nothing to change their situation. You see, the only difference between the one who quits and the one who doesn't is that the latter show up every day and work hard. They struggle, they learn, and they improve every day. And they do all of this even if they feel like quitting. They know it's the right thing to do, and that the hard times will eventually pass. They truly believe in what they do. And eventually, and after all that hard work, their visions become their reality. You are about to get access to a millionaire's software, the blueprint of what he has used to generate over $144,000 every month for the last 5 years. Yes, this video is your open door to access Citadel Investment App, your gateway to a brand new life. This software is doing what should be, by all conventional logic, impossible. It's generating profits without any investment. To everyone except software developers and financial insiders, this may sound like science fiction, but you'll soon see that this breakthrough is real. Being a financial analyst for over 17 years, I've followed disruptive trading software on behalf of thousands of clients and investors looking for the next great breakout. I've seen it all. So naturally, I was pretty skeptical when I first heard about this a few months ago. Citadel Limited, the company behind this software, has just revealed that their revenue for 2015 was upwards of $986 million, obtained by just trading the markets. This amount of money isn't going to one person, but to all of Citadel's investors, who number close to 350 individuals. Just last month, investors withdrew $125 million from the Citadel Investment App's 100% proven, tested, and verified software. Experts at the financial agencies recently predicted this software will have a substantial impact on the U.S. and worldwide economies. Maine University's research associates call it the biggest innovation in trading software and trading apps in terms of profit and financial freedom since 2014, and reports that this new way of trading will account for 34% of all profits in the United States by 2017. And it's just getting started. But first, before you start making assumptions, consider 3 prerequisites one must have to operate this complex software. 1. Access to a PC, mobile phone, or tablet. The ability to open any browser such as Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. And finally, the ability to click a mouse to turn auto trading on, which allows the software to observe and analyze market depth and place trades simultaneously and rapidly to profit from high market volatility, which is where the highest returns are found. Here's an example of what the Citadel Investment App currently is doing for its members. Now, I can guess that you personally know of the many scams out there that aim to take your hard-earned money and make you feel frustrated. Well, I'm very sorry if that's happened to you, but it's just a cold reality of what the world has become. But rest assured, there are people you can trust. This is not like any of the scams you've probably already come across. Citadel Limited technology works. Just check out what a couple of our members have to say.
This is a really great app. I received quick and excellent support from their team, and the profits I'm making are way higher than the others I saw in the other reviews. Outstanding performance.
I hardly had to spend any time setting this thing up. I just activated the autopilot feature and let it run. And this is kind of unbelievable, but it's actually making me rich. $495,215 in just 5 months. I could never have made that much money without the Citadel investment app.
The man behind this company and this amazing software is Dr. Kent Griffey. Griffey used to be a regular person, just like you and I, but he had one quality that set him apart from most ordinary people. He wanted more than anything to add value to the world, and he had the conviction to see it through. No matter how hard, he had to fight for it. It didn't matter how many times people rejected his offerings, he just kept trying until he found success. It took him nearly 24 years of struggling, but he finally made it, and today you can access the same software that is making Dr. Griffey and his associates millions of dollars month after month, year after year. Kent Griffey became the chief investment strategist and chairman at Griffey Capital LLC. As an investment management industry professional since 1983, and with his team of over 160 individuals, he develops investment strategies and software that assist in the management of separate institutional account assets as well as mutual and collective investment funds. He is also nationally recognized for his views on the economy and for being a financial forecaster. Dr. Kent Griffey often participates in economic forums and is a renowned speaker at many conferences worldwide, such as the FB Investors Cruise, the Financial Expo in Las Vegas, the WMS in Toronto, and many more. For more than 20 years, Dr. Griffey has published his own commentary assessing economic and market trends through his newsletter, Economic and Market Perspective in Trading Software. Griffey earned his bachelor's and doctoral degrees in economics from Iowa State University. Since he is a very busy man and he keeps in mind that not everyone has the money to afford the cost of the conferences, last year he began hosting online webinars, giving everyday people the chance to tap into his expertise. These webinars have also been a great success. This is your opportunity to take advantage of this masterpiece, a work that took him almost half his life to develop, a super fast market analyst tool that profits from high volatility of the market and offers its members no less than 87% in returns. For a very limited time, you have the opportunity to get it for free without risking a penny. Please note that while the registration form is still available, and once you have completed filling it in, you will be given a free entrance pass to one of Dr. Griffey's live conferences. This is valued at $399. Check the calendar to see when there will be upcoming conferences in your area. Yes, that's correct. Not only do you get free access to the software, you will receive a full conference pass to one of the many appearances Dr. Griffey makes worldwide. So, given the importance of this breakthrough, there is one obvious question. You are probably wondering why Dr. Kent Griffey and his team would offer this fully automated system called the Citadel Investment App to the general public, and why he would give you access to both the software and his webinar today for free. Well, you may be shocked to hear the answer. There is one very well-known financial institution, and we will not reveal its name here for obvious reasons, which has shown very intense interest in acquiring the Citadel Limited software due to the vast potential it represents. When trading with a small amount, it can generate very impressive profits. Imagine trading with millions as the large banks do. The results would be staggering. This financial institution, which is an international bank with branches around the world, and where many of you watching this video probably have an account, asked Griffey and his team to prove something to them. They wanted to make sure that the software offers the same performance of between 84 and 87% return when traded with millions of dollars before purchasing it for the $1.8 trillion price which Griffey was asking for it, a price they had already agreed to pay. Since Dr. Griffey already knew and was 100% confident with what his masterpiece software could do, he took offense at their request. It reminded him of the early days when he tried to share his innovations, but his colleagues wouldn't listen. But Griffey decided to show them that the potential the software has is truly scalable. It simply doesn't matter whether you're trading $300, trading $500, or trading $10 million. But the main thing Dr. Griffey is looking to do is give the public the chance to profit from it. That way he will increase his leverage, and the people that have access to his system will make huge profits, really huge profits. So Griffling negotiated an agreement with the bank that allows anyone and everyone using the software to have their own lifetime license to the software with no cost at all, whether or not the bank proceeds with their purchase. It can be yours either way. That's the agreement. If you are seeing this video now, there is a chance that you're still able to register and it's still possible for you to start to profit right away with the Citadel Limited's latest software. Rush to get your free copy right now. Don't wait, because this offer could end at any moment and you could be left regretting the fact that you didn't take action when you had the chance. Act now. You have nothing to lose. Sometimes later becomes never. This is truly the kind of opportunity you can wait an entire lifetime to find, and even then, there's no guarantee it ever will. But today is the day. Your opportunity is here. Fill in the form now and get started making the kind of profits you only dreamed of. Do it now.